As the College of Education of West Visayas State University continues to soar beyond excellence, the CHED has supported our college through a grant for Technology Enhanced Teacher Education Program. Allocation for this project is actually 3 million, and the project was conducted between 2017 to 2019 supposed to be. Of the 3 million, CHED was able to give us 500,000 from the budget allocated. Waiting for the budget to be released at that time, we actually started to initiate some activities that laid the groundwork for the project. Um, because of our exposure through a fellowship at Queensland University of Technology, we sort of conceptualized a research project, and we sought funding from the university research office to provide their funding on fostering digital literacy in teacher education in 2016. And fortunately, we had good timing because we at that time had a visiting professor from the University of West Georgia, who is an expert in educational. Another good timing was that while waiting for the budget, the Commission on Higher Education requested Centers of Excellence and Development to join them in a project as they were crafting ICT competencies for teachers, competency standards for the teacher education. So we became part of that. I think it was good timing. So while we were waiting for the funds, we actually were able also to train our own people and neighboring institutions from our money from the university. And then when the CHED grant came, it made us implement the technology enhanced teacher education program. In that time, when we had a walkthrough of of the technology for teaching and learning one to foster digital literacy among our teacher educators coming from centers of excellence and development. And so we partnered with them in Visayas and in Mindanao. There were 19 centers of excellence and centers of development that attended our walkthrough of the technology of the course technology for teaching and learning one. The ripple effect is evident as these institutions have continued to share their acquired competencies and skills in their respective areas or schools and regions. And the walkthrough of technology for teaching and learning one training was cascaded by the different trainers from the centers of excellence partnering with Sukteya. So we started expanding our reach of the project. So we have ensured that somehow the course is properly implemented. The course technology for teaching and learning one is implemented with the new curriculum in 2018. And so we also encountered challenges, like just any projects, we needed to hurdle the challenges on coordinating with our own finance office and sticking to the schedule of. I know that Ed's additional support, the remaining 2.5, will still go a long way. We have already actually able to liquidate the 500,000 amount that was given to us. And if we will be given the second tranche, we will surely be doing a lot of things to help our uh, teacher education institutions. Continue the advocacy and expand our sphere of influence to foster digital literacy among teacher educators. So mention about um, another project that actually was finished. But what I'd like to highlight is the fact that even if it is finished, we continue to work on this. We continue to our advocacy. This is on the mother tongue, multilingual based project. This was supported by the Commission on Higher Education through a Center of Excellence grant of two. Was that. And because of this, project paved way to the establishment of our own Center of the Teaching of Hiligaynon in the university. And the Jan Decker has been coming here, visiting, working with us. We have actually been doing a lot of work in the establishment of the orthography of Hiligaynon. As a consultant with the Department of Education, we have developed materials that will assist professional education teachers and pre-service teachers. We have research publication. We have textbooks publication. We actually have been mentoring our students to pursue lines of inquiry in investigations with MTBF. And in the coming days, we look forward to support and participate in the International Mother Language Day as we are invited by Dr. Nalasco. So we actually continue our advocacies in fostering digital literacy and in support of MTB MLE. So we will continue to collaborate with teacher education institutions and stakeholders and embrace transformation development through for allowing us to share our work.